Understanding Customer Metrics, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term customer metrics. This phrase is commonly used in business and marketing, and understanding it can be really beneficial. Let's dive in and make sense of this interesting concept. Customer metrics are various measures used by businesses to understand and evaluate the behavior and satisfaction of their customers. These metrics are crucial as they provide insights into how well a company is meeting its customers' needs. Think of them as a report card for the business, showing how well it's performing in the eyes of its customers. There are several types of customer metrics, each serving a different purpose. Here, we'll look at a few important ones. 1. Customer satisfaction, CSAT. This measures how satisfied customers are with a product or service. 2. Net Promoter Score, NPS. This gauges the likelihood of customers recommending the company to others. 3. Customer retention rate. This indicates the percentage of customers who remain with a company over time. 4. Customer churn rate. In contrast, this measures the percentage of customers who stop using a company's products or services. Understanding these metrics helps businesses improve their products and services. Customer metrics are vital for several reasons. They help businesses understand customer needs and expectations. They provide data to improve products and services. They can be used to track progress over time. They help in making strategic business decisions. By analyzing customer metrics, companies can make informed decisions to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's see some examples. A mobile phone company analyzes its NPS score to understand how likely its customers are to recommend their phones. A subscription service tracks its customer retention rate to determine how many subscribers renew their subscriptions each month. These real-world examples show how businesses use customer metrics to improve their services. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of customer metrics. It's a term that's not only important in business but also enriching for your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in commerce or marketing. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.